Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into some truly exciting news that is making waves across the drone community. DJI is gearing up to launch its brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro, and leaks are pointing toward a highly anticipated release date of September 16, 2025. Drone enthusiasts, professional photographers, and casual hobbyists are already buzzing with excitement, and for good reason. This drone looks set to raise the bar for compact aerial technology in ways we haven't seen before. Over the past few weeks, retailers worldwide have been quietly updating their websites with new drone accessories, bundles, and pricing details, giving us some strong hints about what's coming. For anyone who has been waiting to upgrade from the DJI Mini 4 Pro or another earlier model, the Mini 5 Pro could very well be the perfect step forward. Let's break down everything we know so far, from design and specs to pricing, bundles, features, and even the future of DJI's wearable camera line with the Osmo Nano DJI Mini 5 Pro, a new era for compact drones. When we talk about drones, that balance power, portability, and performance, the DJI Mini series has always been a frontrunner. The Mini 5 Pro looks like it will carry that legacy forward with some truly game-changing updates. Among the most exciting upgrades are larger camera sensor for higher quality photography and videography, advanced obstacle sensing that leverages new technologies like LiDAR assisted navigation, extended flight times, offering up to an incredible 52 minutes per battery, bundled DJI RC2 controller with a built-in display for seamless flying. The addition of these features means creators, vloggers, and drone pilots of all levels can now enjoy professional-level control and cinematic quality output without investing in a bulkier or more expensive drone. Is the DJI Mini 5 Pro coming to the USA? Yes, and there's already proof. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has been officially registered with the US Federal Communications Commission, which all but confirms that DJI plans a full US launch. However, availability might still face hurdles due to ongoing import and customs restrictions tied to regulations such as the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act. Major US retailers like Best Buy and B&H have been facing inventory issues, which could slightly delay availability at launch. Still, DJI has made it clear that they have no plans to exit the US market. So, while American buyers might see limited stock at first, once the logistical challenges are ironed out, the global mid-September 2025 launch should line up closely. With the US release DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo, what's inside? One of the biggest highlights from the leaks is the Fly More Combo Plus DJI RC2 bundle. The front of the retail box proudly shows the DJI RC2 controller with a built-in screen, meaning you won't have to attach your smartphone anymore. This makes flying much more convenient and professional. 3 batteries, each offering up to 52 minutes of flight time. That's a combined 2.5 plus hours of total airtime, a huge leap compared to previous models. A sleek, professional design that cements the Mini 5 Pro as a top-tier drone for travelers, vloggers, and aerial photographers. This endurance upgrade alone makes the drone a game-changer for content creators, especially those filming travel vlogs, cinematic YouTube videos, or short-form TikTok and Instagram reels. Leaked DJI Mini 5 Pro pricing and accessories. Another juicy detail from the leaks is the accessory pricing. Here's what we know so far. Intelligent flight battery, 69 battery plus, 99 two-way charging hub, 49 propellers, 19 quick-release propeller guard, 69 ND filter set, 55 DJI Care, refresh plans, $80 and $129. These prices are surprisingly reasonable, especially for creators who want to extend flight sessions or enhance footage quality with cinematic ND filters. The inclusion of affordable prop guards, charging hubs, and spare parts shows DJI's clear intent to appeal to both professional pilots and casual beginners. Performance and camera specs. What to expect? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a 1-inch camera sensor, a massive leap in image quality for this compact drone line. With this, you can expect 4K at 120 FPS video recording for buttery smooth slow motion, cinematic low light performance, making it perfect for city nightscapes or sunset shots. True vertical shooting for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. No more awkward cropping. 25-degree gimbal rotation, allowing for extreme creative angles. DJI has clearly designed the Mini 5 Pro to cater to the needs of today's digital creators and filmmakers. Whether you're shooting for professional projects or simply capturing your weekend adventures, this drone promises footage that rivals larger, more expensive models. Obstacle avoidance and new propeller system DJI is upping its safety game too. Leaks suggest the Mini 5 Pro will include LiDAR-assisted obstacle sensing, allowing better navigation in fog, low light, or tricky landscapes. It even includes LiDAR-assisted ranging, which adds smarter navigation tools. Another welcome change is the tap-and-twist propeller system, replacing the single-use screws from the Mini 4 Pro. Swapping propellers will now be as easy as changing. Batteries, a small but impactful update for everyday pilots. Portability and weight advantage. Despite all these upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro will still weigh under 249 grams, which means no FAA registration required in the United States. That's a massive win for casual flyers who just want to get airborne without dealing with paperwork. DJI Osmo Nano. A new wearable camera now. Let's shift gears for a moment. Alongside the DJI Mini 5 Pro, we're also hearing exciting rumors about DJI's next wearable camera, the DJI Osmo Nano. After the discontinuation of the DJI Action 2, many were left wondering what DJI would release next in the action and wearable camera market. The Osmo Nano seems to be the answer. Here's what we know. Magnetic main camera module with multiple surfaces for mounting versatility. Built-in memory options. 64GB and 128GB versions. OLED HD touchscreen for direct control and live monitoring. Fast charging, 80% in just 20 minutes. Expandable storage via SD card slot. Accessories are expected to include clip mounts, suction mounts, GoPro adapters, and even a magnetic lanyard system for hands-free POV filming. This makes the Osmo Nano perfect for vloggers, travelers, and anyone who wants a lightweight hands-free filming experience. In terms of pricing, the 64GB model is expected at $316, while the 128GB model will be $399, putting it in direct competition with the Insta360 Go 3S. Why the DJI Mini 5 Pro matters. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another drone. It represents a significant leap in what compact drones can achieve. From professional-grade footage to enhanced flight endurance and safety features, DJI is proving once again why it leads the industry. For content creators, travel vloggers, real estate agents, sports enthusiasts, and hobbyists, this drone could become the go-to tool for creating stunning aerial content. Final thoughts, as we await official confirmation from DJI, one thing is clear. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most powerful compact drones ever made. The combination of a 1-inch sensor, extended flight time, pro-level controller, and under 249G weight class makes it a beast for both casual pilots and professionals. The rumored launch date of September 16, 2025 isn't far away, so expect DJI to drop official details very soon, including confirmed specs, regional bundles, and pricing. Between the Mini 5 Pro and the Osmo Nano, DJI seems ready to dominate not just the skies, but also the wearable action camera market in 2025. So, are you ready to upgrade? If these leaks are accurate, the DJI Mini 5 Pro might just be the drone we've all been waiting for.